Gaming official, join me, the YouTuber. No, where is he? Heck no, he's under the map. He's my team, he's under the map. We're going to your base. We're going to your base. We're in your base. No.
Ayaw sagutin ni Kuya. Tingnan mo. Pinapatayan ka pa. Walang silbi yung mga kuya mo. Si Kuya King. Tawagan natin.
Oh, why me? I won't hear anything because my tablet is in silent mode. What the? Why? Why me?
Sagutin mo, Kuya. Para maano lang.
Why me? Why me? I'm winning again.
Tito May? O, si Tito May lang. Burut na burut. Pag hindi na kagala. Tinatanong pa lang niyo, ba't kung umuwi na daw tayo mamaya? Hindi ko pa nasagot. Hindi pa tapos si Al.
Yup. Come get some, you freaking gosh.
Baby na mo, gusto yun. Ate, dito oh.
Goodbye, guys. I'm gonna just pause it. Gaming official. I'm gonna get revenge for him. Oh wait, he's still alive. I forgot. Uh-oh, I'm dead.
Ganda naman kasi ng ano mo.
Hey! Bop! Oh, I teleported. That was supposed to be a bad idea. Go back to watch. Go back to baby, you YouTuber. Heck no! After it's time for me to shine. It's time for me to shine bright. Just shut up and rage quit.
Ano na mga cellphone ko, paligid naman ng pag-exit.
Just quit. Just quit. Why am I white now? Why am I white now? Why am I white? You got backshotted. Nah, that's so. Let's record this. Why? Why don't we upload a video? So that you should want a video, upload a video, then make a video. Take this, you bastard. That's why everyone hates you. Take this, you bastard.
Goodbye.
Good job, you took him to outer space. What? Wait a sec. This is Earth? That's right.
Why are you still sick?
Somebody else. Good job. No. Oh, I got kicked by somebody. Someone showed me to outer space. Oh, there's something in outer space. What the? Bro, there's something. What the heck was that? No. Wait a sec. It wasn't my throat this whole time. It wasn't my. Wait, my sickness wasn't.
Kahit sa pagkain.
My sickness wasn't my throat.
Ay, hindi!
It's a cough.
Ilan mo, kumain ka ay tigil ka sa pagkain ng matamis. Pag umuwi tayo may sakit kay nanay mo, problemado na naman. Pinagkakain pala yung gems. Nakain pilos. Kaya alabas ko na lang yung nanay. Dumado na naman nanay mo. Dumado na nga sa pera. Yan mo, hirap siya ninyo, te. Di ba? Naman na, ha? Naman na, kanina kumukuha na naman siya. Tapos sabi niyo,
I'm stuck. Oh.
Alam niyo, alam, itira pa namin. Apero ko sa namin.
Aim fire! Whoa! Ah!
Si Papera, nakatagal pa.
Gaming Who official left the game.
Hey, Daddy, damn you.
Okay, back. My final attack. My final attack. Okay, let's go.